How to optimize your images for Google search traffic. When it comes to SEO, or search engine optimization, we often focus purely on written content and links. SEO is all about keywords and authority. So the way to boost your prevalence in Google search is to fill your site with relevant content and to get links from relevant influencers. That's all true, sure, but there is much more to SEO than just that. For example, there are many sites other than Google that you can optimize for, whether that's YouTube or Bing. At the same time, there are other aspects of your website that you can choose to optimize. Say, for example, your images. Chances are that at some point during your time on the web, you will have visited a website because of an image search. You might have searched for a key phrase in Google, clicked Images, and then seen a whole section brought up. From there, perhaps you saw an image you liked the looks of, and so you clicked on it and were taken to the website. That then is precisely what we are trying to achieve when we optimize our images for search. And in many ways, that works in a very similar way to optimization for written content. As with written content, keywords are of the utmost importance here. Only now, the keyword isn't a part of the content. Google's optical character recognition isn't good enough to read from images yet, but rather it surrounds it. The key then is to write around the subject matter as you embed your images. If the text on your page is well optimized, then the images will be more likely to come up in related searches. At the same time, though, you can also make sure that you use the right names for your images. That, of course, means using keywords to name your files, which very easily identify the subject matter. Finally, though, you also need to optimize the images themselves. That doesn't mean you need to optimize the quality of the image, although this will help with the human element, but rather it means that you need to think about whether the image is original. A lot of the time, we use stock images. But unfortunately, these don't show up in Google often because they count as duplicate content. The key, then, is to modify any reused images in order to make them unique.